all her thoughts, she would never say anything that annoys. That was Katie. She mixed with us so freely. We have an association called The Roots, the first cousins who stay in Kampala from our great-grandfathers. She has been a very good member. We shall always remember her. So these COVID times, when Richard told us Kate had tested positive, of course, anyway, I don't know whether it still shocks that people are COVID positive. Does it shock any longer? What we only have to pray for is that they recover. The first wave was like, okay, for us Africans, we are strong. If you bask in the sunshine, it will. But now this one is real. So being real, when she said, okay, we have seen people, they have COVID, they'll go and treat and they'll go back. But when he suddenly said, Katie's condition needs to go to hospital, we prayed. Then Katie's condition needs oxygen, we prayed more. Then Katie's oxygen level is 1 week, 2 weeks. We got worried. What is not happening? Until yesterday, when what was not happening happened. I was there. After the prayers yesterday, I said, let me go and see whether they have settled in Nakasero where they were going. They had not reached, so I drove straight to Mengo, and things happened when I... So these COVID times, subject, we have to observe the SOPs, we have to be very careful, we have to accept to be vaccinated. I know some people have not vaccinated in this world. They are reading social media and they are just running away. When you look at the social media, you may say, why should I vaccinate? Because they are saying if you vaccinate, you will die. We must do whatever it takes to keep alive. And I want to appeal to all of us to simply do that. I want to thank Richard, my brother, and encourage you. Up to now, I think you are strong. You even think you can drive. But I know you are not as strong. And I want to accept you to accept that you are weak and that we must pray for you. I know how you loved Katie, your wife. I know how you love these children, my sons and daughter. It may be hard. It may be easy, but I predict that it will be hard. And in being hard, I want you to look at this family of friends and relatives and say, where Kate came from, let there be something to fill this gap. And that gap shall be filled by your constant love, your care that you shall show Richard. I want to implore you. These children are still young, and that's what worries parents. Before these were grown-ups. The last born is 10 years. P what? P2? Or P4, but these days you can't ask children what are their classes. For them, they are promoting themselves, but for us, we know they are there where they were. So these are still young children. But we thank you, Richard, for caring for Katie. We saw how you cared. You told me, even if I sell everything, Katie shall be well. We thank you for what you have done. I want to thank Agnes. I don't know whether she is here. She has been in the hospital. I want to thank you very much. I want to thank you, Penina. I want to thank you, Monica, for always cooking. I want to thank everybody who has showed up this evening for this church service. Somebody has said we should speak very little words. Indeed, I want to end, but I'm speaking on behalf of the greater Mwebesa family. This is unimaginable that we have sent a link. Unfortunately, it was a link which allowed only 100 people. In fact, I want to ask those who are watching on Zoom to tell others that we have opened another one and we have shared on YouTube. If they can go there, they will be able to see what we are doing. We apologize for that, but we should have planned for a bigger platform that can accommodate as many people because people are locked outside. But people are seeing us live. People are many. They would want to be here. It's unfortunate that they can't. On Wednesday, we shall go and bury. Again, they are telling us family. At least when they are talking of family, I don't know whether they mean 20, but family. Because for us, we are an extended family which lives together. My house is here, Richard is here, my father is here, my uncle is there, my aunt is there. Now, who is the family? Already there are like 60 people in the same homestead. I hope we shall manage. But these scientific things are not things of ours. We should cast them and they should go away. So on Wednesday at 11, we shall bury in Bushenyi, in Kabwe municipality, former Greater Bushenyi. Of course, in Kabwe, which is the municipality, Shema municipality, around Kabwe town, some, I don't remember how many kilometers from Barara. I want to say that those who are concerned are very well invited. So we don't know whom to invite and whom, but at least we have informed you. Inform others. At least the death was occurred, the burial must take place scientifically, unfortunately. Scientifically, unfortunately. I want to thank you, church, for giving us this opportunity. We are home. I know Katie and Richard love church. I've been here myself before at the invitation. We thank you. And we thank you because Richard loves church. He has been your treasurer. He has shared with us how he has done it. We also love church. And we want to encourage as many people to love church. We are comfortable in church. I think the spaces are sufficient. The COVID lives around the nose and the mouth. People, COVID lives around here. What we touch. So if we can take the necessary precautions, I think we shall survive. Let's keep praying to God. Let him intervene. I know there are so many people waiting for us in the village. And they are telling them, it is hard to tell them that go away. It is hard to tell them that you go away. So I know those in church, I mean in the village who are watching me live, please, we want you, but you must take care of yourselves and control yourselves. We have supported very many people, they would want to support us, but these are wrong times. Once again, I thank you for coming. Let's keep showing solidarity to this family. These children are young. It worries me. But as I demonstrated, Richard's mother died when he was 2 years. Now he's 40-something. He's a man. You are 10 years. Look to us. Look up to him. Look up to all your relatives. We shall survive. I wanted to introduce a few people. I've seen my brother-in-law, Moses, marries my sister, Monica. My auntie, our aunt who is here, my father's sister, who is she? Aunt Musime, she stays around. I like to ask all my cousins to stand up, all my cousins, blood cousins, and your husbands, Mijuka and others. Please stand up for recognition. You have represented the family. It is unbelievable. Everybody was simply saying, share the link. We shared the link, and I think they are watching us live. Why? After all, Kate died of COVID. They may come and pick COVID. For you have risked. We have risked. That's why I'm saying let's keep our mouth shut, closed off, so that we don't pick COVID. Please. Once again, church, we thank you. I know I've taken a lot of time. Forgive me. May the soul of Katie rest in peace.
Twagala okwebaza mukulu Robert Mwebesa for that matter. Bange bigamba abyogedde ate era aliwo nga bwe nabagambye ku lwa mukadde waffe oyo gwe twawerekera emabegako eyo naliyo Bushenyi Nyamufumula waggulu awo obali erinnya ettuufu. Sebo tweyanziza ebigambo abyogedde abaana twongere okuguma Richard kati ate gwe olina okuguma ennyo kubanga oyongeddeko obuvunaanyizibwa obulala ng'era bwe nagambye ne Linda ti ate maama waatali kati gwe ozannyawo wonna. Sebo tweyanziza olw'ebigambo abiri ebyabadde wali ku geeti ebyo byaffe tuba tukola mirimu tuba tugezaako okutereeza. Tugenda kuddako abaana bano okwogera naye Linda yaŋŋambye ye yagumye dda naye sikakasa bugumu bwe kubanga olaba taata akaaba anko gwe njogerako naye munnange si byangu. Nja kusaba Rose kyatuweeyo stanza emu bweti oluyimba lwonna lwawulira. As we welcome Linda and company.
Kundi hiko mwiguru njwira kuhichirira okwe kutari kwanje narebeza ko Jose oboni bondimanya ibanja ryanje ryona akanyiho mukufa yampindure mwarawe yanyihe mu bugomi yampindure rikwera mbwenuka marayonta ibanja ryanje ryona.
Praise God, church. Amen. My name is Sigaguma Nathan. I'm the third born of the late Keti Guma. What I knew about my mother was that she was loving, she was a caring woman.